Marzamemi, this little South Sicilian seaside pearl, has always been one of my favorite places, even more 10 years ago when the village had just 2-3 restaurants and hardly no shops and was so-called original Sicily. Now tourism is increasing in this area. The village has 400 inhabitants and it's Sicily's oldest wine areas, where you can still see old wine pipes passing the landscape from wineries to the harbor where French ships were filled to sail towards North Europe. This area was an important market area. 1959, a Byzantine merchant ship was found here. The name has Arabic origins and means something like Turtle Dove Bay, and is today a fisherman village as it always has been. Really worth a visit if you come to Sicily.